Hello everybody, today I would like to show you my tactical knife, my EDC tool in fact, by Hydraknives. It's called Buzzard. Let's open the box and see what is inside. As you can see, the box itself is plastic but hard case, and here you have this soft protective cover. And when you open the box, you first see this tack clip attachment for the knife to carry on your belt. There is the safety, and you just open it and adjust it to carry on your belt. I do not much use it, but still it's a nice feature. And apart from that, you see like 1 meter of paracord to carry your knife on your belt, because you know this is a small knife, in fact like an EDC tool, and you can use it also as a neck knife to carry on your neck. And this is your paracord for that. And let's put the knife here and I will show you the other things as well. And you have the Hydra patches and some Hydra sheets that you can stick, and there are also some informative sheets about the manufacturer itself. And Hydra is a new player in the market, and from the Spanish city of Albacete, and which is famous for its knives. And this is their first model. It's called Buzzard, and you can purchase the Buzzard in 2 different colors. First is the gray, and this is the black, and which I preferred because I simply like the tactical look it has, and it really catches eyes, and I like that. And as for the knife itself, let's take it out of the Kydex protection cover, and which looks really cool itself again. And when you touch it, it feels nice. It says Hydra on both sides, and as I have said before, you can put your paracord around these holes and decorate and carry your knife on your neck as well. And when we are talking about the knife, as you can see, and it's a small knife. In fact, some countries consider it as a tool, like Spain, not a knife. The knife has an overall length of 17 centimeters, and the blade part is 8 centimeters, and the handle part is like almost 8.5 centimeters something. And let's start with the safety ring here at the back end of the knife. And firstly, you can put your little finger here, and you can use it as a safety ring to get a better handle to grip the knife better. And in case of an emergency, you can even break some glass with this piece here, just in case, and it looks nice. And as you look here, you can see the features of the steel used in the knife. It's 1.4116 stainless steel, covered all in black. You have the M6, M5 and M3 screwdriver features. You also have the hex feature, and apart from that, you may realize this little piece here. It's the fire starter piece, which you can use with a ferro rod to strike a fire. And as we have all talked about these features, now comes the knife feature. And as I have stated before, this is a little knife. It's not too big, but that makes it real cool for everyday carry and tactical features, and it looks really nice with that. You see the name of the manufacturer, Hydraknives Buzzard, and it really makes my day. Like, one thing I didn't like about the knife, in fact, is that I love the black color choice, but and I think with the use itself, the black powder on it will damage, and but that's fine. It still looks really nice. Well, so we have talked about Hydraknives Buzzard today, and that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.